Welcome to Orbit Adventures. Today, we're diving into one of the most mysterious and fascinating phenomena in the universe: black holes. What would happen if a human entered a black hole? What's inside a black hole? How does time change near a black hole? You'll find answers to these questions and more in this video. Let's get started. Black holes are cosmic giants with the strongest gravitational pull in the universe. Nothing, not even light, can escape their grip. The intensely dense region at the center of a black hole is called the singularity, where the laws of physics break down. Black holes usually form when massive stars collapse. At the end of a star's life, its core collapses under its own gravity, increasing the gravitational pull to the point where a black hole forms. To understand this process better, we can look at a supernova explosion, where the outer layers of the star are ejected into space, leaving behind a core that can become a black hole. Black holes are generally classified into three main categories: stellar mass black holes, supermassive black holes, and intermediate mass black holes. Stellar mass black holes form from the collapse of a single star. Supermassive black holes are found at the centers of galaxies and can have masses millions or billions of times that of the Sun. Intermediate mass black holes fall between these two categories and are much rarer. Now, let's get to the question you've been waiting for. What happens if a human enters a black hole? Once you pass the event horizon of a black hole, there's no turning back. The gravitational pull is so strong that your body would undergo spaghettification, where you'd be stretched into a long, thin shape. The difference in gravitational pull between your feet and your head would be so great that you'd be torn apart at the atomic level. We don't know for sure what lies inside a black hole. However, at the singularity, density becomes infinite, and the laws of physics as we know them cease to apply. Some theories suggest that different dimensions or conditions similar to the beginning of the universe could exist inside a black hole. For a human approaching a black hole, time behaves very differently. The strong gravitational pull causes time to slow down significantly. To an outside observer, you would appear to slow down and almost stop as you approach the black hole. If a human could get close to a black hole and then return, years or even centuries might have passed on Earth. We don't have definitive information on whether life could exist inside black holes. However, the extreme conditions of a black hole make it highly unlikely for known life forms to survive. Yet, considering the vastness and diversity of the universe, many secrets are still waiting to be discovered. Black holes are some of the most mysterious and fascinating structures in the universe. Scientists continue to study these cosmic giants to unlock their secrets. We hope this video has helped answer your questions about black holes. See you in our next videos, and don't forget to follow Orbit Adventures